Hello everyone. Subject is fluid mechanics. The topic is introduction of fluid mechanics. I am Deepak Kumar Bandewar, Assistant Professor, SIRTS Civil Department. Welcome to you all. Today's topic, introduction of fluid mechanics. First of all, what is fluid? Any substance which can flow is called fluid. Any substance which can flow is called fluid. Now, what is substance? Substance is matter which has a specific composition and specific properties. That is substance. We have three types of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Another property which can flow is called fluid. Solid, liquid, gas में से जो भी कैपेबल हो फ्लो के लिए, जो फ्लो हो रहा हो उसे हम बोलेंगे फ्लूइड. Now, fluid is substance which has no defined shape and will continuously deform or flow whenever an external force is applied to it. Whenever external force is applied to it, it is continuously flow, like water, milk, steam, gas, etc. So what is fluid? Any substance which can flow is called fluid. We have three condition of matter that is solid, liquid, and gas. In a fluid, liquid and gas under this category. Liquid and gas. Practically non-compressible liquid occupied defines volume, not affected, appreciable by temperature and pressure change. If we talk about gases, gases are compressible, occupy the volume of vessels, and affected by temperature and pressure. Now, what is mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of engineering to study of forces and motion on it. Now, fluid mechanics is the study of fluid either in motion or at rest. That is called fluid mechanics. Gases and liquids comes under the category of fluids. Now, in this subject, we have covered in three topics. First one is fluid statics, second one fluid kinematics, third one is fluid dynamics. In fluid statics, we study a fluid under rest condition. If we talk about fluid kinematics, we study a fluid under motion. If we talk about fluid dynamics, the study of fluid under motion with causes of forces. That means the motion due to forces both we study in this fluid dynamics by the study of fluid mechanics. In various technical engineering field, fluid mechanics is major role played. It is very important to learn the behavior of fluid under various conditions in order to design of the system of handling of such fluids like dairy plants, bridge engineering, wastewater system, turbines, pumps, valve, and pipes. The fluid mechanics is a branch of engineering science, the knowledge of which is needed in the design of water supply and treatment system, pump used for handling of different fluids, ship, submarine, aeroplane, automobiles, likewise storage tank, milk silo, tanker, feed tank, in piping system for various utilities, pipe fitting, wall, flow meter, etc. Unit and dimension used in fluid mechanics. Fundamental four dimensions or unit systems are there. First one is SI system, second one is CGS system, third one MKS system, and fourth one is FPS system. SI system stands for International System of Unit. In CGS system, it is a system of physical units based on centimeter as a unit of length, gram as a unit of mass, and second as a unit of time. Now MKS system, it is metric system of physical unit based on meter as a unit of length, kilogram as a unit of mass, and second as a unit of time. FPS system, the foot pound second system or FPS system is a system of unit built on the three fundamental units: foot for length, pound for mass, or you can say force, and second for time. Now, fluid types. There are seven types of fluid in the world. First one is ideal fluid. Second one, real fluid. Third one is ideal plastic fluid. Fourth one is Newtonian fluid. Next one is non-Newtonian fluid, compressible fluid, and incompressible fluid. Here we define ideal fluid. An ideal fluid is a fluid that has no viscosity. It is incompressible in nature. Practically no ideal fluid exists in this world. If we talk about ideal fluid have no viscosity, no incompressible. It is incompressible in nature. Practically no ideal fluid exists in this nature. Now, second one is real fluid. Real fluid are compressible in nature. They have some viscosity. Real fluid implies friction effects. Likewise, kerosene, petrol, custard oil, water, etc., etc. That is all comes under to real fluid category. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much.